Harley Davidson 1946 flat tracker. Doesn't have a stand, so my trusty buddy here, Smokey, is hanging out. Factory fresh motor, a real nice piece. I did just start it, so it's not totally cold. I had some trouble putting it together. This does have a brake on it. Got the nice transmission. This is a factory fresh motor. It's not been run. It's perfect. It's got 2 miles on it. And it's all set up and ready to go. Old Smokey's gonna tank is a WR tank. Good seat on it. Smoke's going to hold the camera and show me playing with it. We've got fuel on. And I've got retry it quick. Got full fuel. Let's see how she does. There you go. She just needs to be running a little bit. Cheers if you want it.